If you're one of the greatest actors the world has ever seen, it is no doubt that you'll have a jaw-dropping lifestyle. Many could only imagine having the luxuries that you have, and the $110 million piece of luxury real estate that great Sylvester Stallone has to his name. Well, its prestige is difficult to put into words. Do you want to know why Sylvester Stallone's mansion cost so much? Well, stay till the end of the video, because that's exactly what we will discuss in detail. I'm Claire, and today, I'm taking you on a tour of Sylvester Stallone's $110 million Beverly Hills mansion. Sylvester Stallone has a grand $110 million mansion located in the heart of Beverly Hills. And hearing what its price tag is, we don't think Stallone ever goes out of it for anything. Why? Well, everything he needs is probably located inside. The mansion, covering a massive area of 21,000 square feet, has been the home of Stallone and his family for quite some time. Now it's listed on the market. Stallone purchased this piece of land in the late 90s and has constructed the Mediterranean-style mansion brick by brick, according to his taste. The home has 8 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and an impressively spacious library with a workspace, along with a massive kitchen that features 2 islands. There is a dining room with hand-painted walls to resemble an old-world-style castle, and a beautiful den with floor-to-ceiling windows and a cigar room. Accommodations for entertainment have also been well made, with a large movie screen in the family room and a private bar with all kinds of drinks. As for any guests who are to arrive and stay at this heavenly abode, there is a guest house designed by Richard Landry, also known as the King of the Mega Mansion. Apart from all the house rooms and areas, the entire mansion is very well designed and decorated. The aesthetics of this house are second to none, with stunning, breathtaking views of both the canyon and the whole of Beverly Hills. Loggias and terraces also extend many of its rooms, so that people wake up to the best view possible. As for Stallone's part of the house, there is a whole lot of Rocky memorabilia all around the house, including a life-size statue of Stallone's most famous character, Rocky Balboa, raising his hands in victory. The shelves in the library space have tons of Rocky memorabilia to remind Stallone how incredible he was as the fictional boxer. Outside the main house, there are 2 detached bedroom guest houses, and the outer area is full of trees, and they complement the pool side of the place amazingly. The pool also has a built-in spa which is surrounded by a giant sun deck. For Stallone's sick rides, there is an 8-car, air-conditioned garage, and access to the main house is through a long, gated driveway. The Stallones have served as neighbors to many high-profile celebrities during their stay in this house. These include Denzel Washington, Justin and Hailey Bieber, Mark Wahlberg, and Magic Johnson, to name a few. Considering the value of this mansion and the surrounding area, it comes as no surprise to us that it has been a point of interest to many billionaires, business tycoons, and royal family members over the years. It is currently one of the most expensive homes in the neighborhood of Beverly Park. The house has everything one could ever wish for. Be it the interior or the exterior, every spot of the house looks like it has been crafted with immense precision by the best hands in the business. And that is observed very frequently, since the home oozes quality and grace. Having a house like that, one would never want to leave it at any time. At least, I wouldn't. One thing is for sure, Mr. Rocky certainly has a home that rocks in exquisite taste. So that's it for this video, folks. If real estate is your thing, stay tuned for more videos on Channel Estate Central. Till next time, see you!